手心月光晒得很凉快。
Hey everyone, I am Pengtong Tech products are really getting into fashion lately with increasingly stylish designs. Headphones, for instance, young consumers demand great sound, strong noise cancellation, and importantly, style. Over-ear noise cancellation headphones fit this bill perfectly. Whether you are wearing them on your head or just draping them over your back, they are easy to style and eye-catching enough. Clearly, Vivo has caught on to this as well. What I have here are Vivo's new fashion headset noise cancellation headphones. These Vivo noise cancelling headphones come in two stylish colors, Breeze Purple and Cloud Mist White. My Cloud Mist White pair has a low saturation cream aesthetic and rounded design, giving the headset a super soft look. As a fashion accessory, it is simple and versatile. Paired with light clothes worn around your neck, it becomes the perfect outfit statement. They are stylish and gentle, weighing 238 grams with soft ear cups and headband. They stay comfortable even after long wear. I am sure many of you have the habit of wearing headphones for studying or work, say at the library or a coffee shop, for 1 or 2 hours straight. Besides keeping my ears and head comfy, this gorgeous look makes me feel more elegant when I am writing scripts or editing. The headband has a pretty wide adjustment range, so both guys and girls can find a comfortable snug fit. The ear cup headband connection has a unique, instantly recognizable matte finish. Controls are on the right, including the noise cancellation toggle and Bluetooth pairing button. The volume roller and the power button, the controls are intuitive with distinct button feels, making them easy to use. Now that we have covered the looks, let us talk about its noise cancellation. The over-ear design makes it perfect for active noise cancellation. Once you turn on noise cancellation, there are 3 preset levels, light, standard, and deep. Plus, there is an auto-adjust mode that tweaks noise cancellation strength in real time based on ambient noise, and ear cup fit and seal. Moving from indoors to outdoors, it seamlessly adjusts noise cancellation, meaning you will not need to constantly pull out your phone for adjustments. Vivo officially states these headphones offer 58 decibels of noise cancellation. That is comparable to the sound in a high-speed car. Even in louder settings like subways or buses, this noise cancellation can make even those noises comfortable. So when you're commuting or out and about, do you have the habit of bringing noise cancellation headphones with you? For me personally, this is an essential piece of gear. Pop them on, and I can quietly enjoy my BGM. ANC. And instantly, you're cut off from outside noise. I have taken it many places recently, and everything just feels more immersive. Instead of just talking, let's hear its noise cancellation. For instance, in Harbin, I love to walk in the park and clear my head. But even with loud road and traffic noise nearby, it is no problem. Noise cancellation. Noise! The world instantly goes quiet outdoors. You can listen to music through all the noise without needing to crank up the volume, which is super friendly for your hearing. Even indoors where it is quieter, noise cancellation is still useful. AC fan chatter or a playlist you dislike, none of that matters, just turn on noise cancellation. And it is like your own private cafe. Now I choose the playlist, and with distractions gone, it is easier to get absorbed. Students will definitely understand this. Good noise cancelling headphones turn any spot, like a restaurant or field, into your study hall. But beyond noise cancellation, headphones have to sound good. That comes down to the driver unit's hardware and tuning. These Vivo over-ear noise cancellation headphones feature 40mm dynamic driver units, offering a wider soundstage and more powerful bass. And the composite biocellulose diaphragm ensures high-fidelity sound. Tuning also received the Vivo's Golden Ear acoustic team support, plus wired and wireless, high-res gold certifications. And those 3 little gold badges on the packaging are also proof of its audio prowess. That might not be super intuitive, so let us have a listen to how they actually perform. Band separation keeps vocals clear. For energetic rock, the low-end performance is truly tested.
On the floor again, one knock at the door and then we both know how the story ends. You can't win if you wait.
The deep bass is crystal clear, and the drum beats are powerful yet comfortable, so your head will not feel fuzzy even after long listening. Plus, many audiophile folks love to dive into sound tuning. Vivo also offers a 10-band EQ, allowing for easy customization to match your preferred sound. And it is not just for music. When you're watching movies with them, you can tap into the spatial audio feature. VOTD song. The soundstage gets even wider, surrounding you with sound. This mode is perfect for blockbusters. Truly immersive. Considering its 499 yuan price tag, this sound quality is quite a pleasant surprise. Coupled with its noise cancellation, at this price it delivers top-tier noise cancellation and sound quality. For headphones like these, beyond noise cancelling and sound quality, phone connectivity features are also important. The pop-up animations on these headphones add a lot of emotional value. Besides the built-in themes featuring cute cats and dogs, Vivo also offers custom pop-ups, so you can set your favorite photos or even your own pets as the headset's pop-up animation. Now these are my little kitty's exclusive headphones. Plus, aside from their own phones, you can connect to 3 devices at once, like a laptop, a tablet, and a phone, for cross-platform interconnection. Other phones just need an app for all features, offering a smooth all-scenario experience. And my experience showed Vivo's foray into over-ear noise cancellation this time around has yielded a pretty impressive product, right from the get-go. And critically, for just a third the price of flagship noise-canceling headphones, you will experience premium sound and noise cancellation. It is heard and it is also seen. Its excellent design makes these headphones a fashion accessory in their own right. So if it were you, what would you pair them with for your VOTD? Alright, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!